that Summit holds a lot of value for business professionals because they can see the future workforce coming about.
You have community partners, you have the businesses there, and you have the students there, so I really saw the value of it right away.
All of us who are kind of doing our work every day get to meet other people who are doing similar things, and we get to bounce ideas off each other and come up with new ideas, really just to help kids and help us do a better job of what we're doing, and met some really great connections.
Because I felt in this country, based on those stats and things that we were talking about at the beginning of this presentation, I felt like in this country, not enough young people were going off with purpose.
So I've talked to a lot of career counselors for high schoolers and high schoolers themselves. It's really cool to talk to them here, and everyone here is really interested in that because they're in CTEC or CTE programs, and so they're really focused on their technical careers.
And it's been a pleasure beyond all belief to get to travel the U.S. and talk to the students and say, look, there are the jobs out there, and yes, really, this is a huge opportunity.
There's a lot of people here, and I didn't realize how many schools wanted to start more CTE programs, so it was really eye-opening to see how many people are interested in that and how many trades there actually are.
My expectation was to really see some support for students by the community, and that's exactly what I saw. And it was also students supporting their peers, which was incredibly powerful.
I really am enjoying it a lot. I'm learning a lot from the other industry professionals and the other teachers that are here.
I would absolutely encourage other people to attend and participate in this event. It's an industry trend, and actually seeing support for trades is only going to continue to grow. So attending this conference earlier than later is going to be incredibly beneficial.